Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So basically, first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. So let me tap on it, and here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. But obviously, if your list is so wide, and then and if you don't want to waste your time to do it manually, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can remove. So we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and those options are, let's say, basic, and under it we've got also saved passwords and autofill from data, which are advanced. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from past hour to, for example, past day, past week, last 4 weeks, and so on and so on. So simply pick the option you'd like to use and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is not totally empty because we changed the time range. Let me actually remove everything. So beginning of time, tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is totally empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically, this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.